Here comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's in it. He's in it. He gon' beat that fucking up. We gon' kick your door. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You hit out. What's she from? Saw him in my scope. I'm about to play to the post. He ain't killing no. That nigga died.
Galing no? Chinese Garter Students Day. Ang angas, okay? Bakit hindi kaya, no? Yung mga larong Pampinoy, gawin nating sports. Like this, so yung mga Chinese Garter, yung mga piko, sports, di ba? Patintero, yan. Buhayin ulit, di ba? Kasi parang hindi ko na siya nakita masyado. Ewan ko lang sa mga provincial area natin kung ginagawa pa siya. Pero sa akin maganda siyang ipakilala sa buong mundo na gawin nating Olympic sports siya, 'di ba? Ay not, 'di ba? First Philippine sports, mga Chinese Garter, tumbang preso, piko, agawan, base or patintero, 'di ba? Idea lang. Peace and one love, guys.